Oh, there you are. Good. Nice to see you. Just a quick apology. Yeah. The previous video, the one where I look like I'm braying like a donkey, I do apologise for that. Nobody should have to say that kind of thing. So it's just the algorithm that YouTube spews out. It's just, just the way it sometimes happens, and it looks awful. So I do apologise. Secondly, I'm happy to report that Eeyore is no worse for his tumble last week. Well, of course, the teen said it was lost. We'll have a minute's silence later. Anyway, the other thing was the rear. I was going to change the front door lock with the old rear one I'd just taken off the back a few months ago, but I've quite forgotten I put it in the wrong place. Now, which is good, because it means I've got a second-hand driver's door lock somewhere, and it's in a safe place. So I'll probably have to order another one, because you know what safe places are like. Today I was going to do the engine mountings on the Discovery as well. Unfortunately, my workshop's full. Now that video is still to come. I'm doing the cooling fan resistor on the 3008 Peugeot 3008 2010 model. It's either the choice of the fan that doesn't work, or the resistor, or the relay. Well, the fan does work, I've tried it. I've heard the relay clicking, so I'm going to assume it's the resistor. That's the one just on the top left of the fan. Yeah. So we've got one on order, but it won't be here till Monday, so job stopped. Basically, so that whole video is yet to come. I'll conclude it when I fit the new part. So that's it really, it's just a quick video to say I'm not doing anything. Yeah, apart from drinking tea in a nice fashion. That's it. Yeah. So I hope you're all keeping well. Hope you're all staying reasonably dry and not getting washed away or battered by hailstones. And you're not going to get lost or squashed. And thanks for watching. And let's hope we have something better to show you in a bit. So I'll see you in a bit.